Here we go.
Hello, I'm Dave.
Hello, Tom.
I'm Dave. We're here doing another ghost box session
In?
in the cemetery.
Which one? Alright. Anyway, never mind which one. Here we go.
It's a patch.
Is there anybody here with us? Anybody in the cemetery with us? Would anyone like to say anything to us? Oh. Would you like to say something to us? No, not pardon. Like to say anything to us? Come on. Any unrest souls in here?
You guys will be one more in a little while when they throw that stiff in that hole over there.
If you have a family, you...
Who's here with us? Anybody here?
What?
What'd you say?
Speak up, I can't hear you.
Who's here with us? Anybody?
Breaking 19 for any spirits.
It
You out
says,
there?
yep.
Breaking 19, spirits, you got your ears on. Hello?
Who's here with us? Who?
Oh?
What's up? You speak to us? Come on.
Well, we're here to converse with some souls.
Bewitched?
Is Darren here?
Spirit said. Speak. Can't. Why? Why? Why can't you speak? Music.
Right.
You tried. Speak to us. So who's here?
You don't have anything to say today? What? You say Dave or Tom? Hello?
See?
It just said your name.
Tom's here too, you know.
I said, what?
I said Tom's here too, you know.
Did you hear that? I said, go away.
Is that what he said?
Yep, I said, go away.
We're not gonna go away. We're here to talk to you. We're trying to find answers that we need to know. What's the matter? You don't like people being here?
Motion. Move it. How many people are in this cemetery? What's the population in the cemetery?
What did it say?
I don't know. How many? Over 10,000? Possible?
Well, let's try this old one. You know what that is right there?
If you do know what it is and say yes, what is it?
What is that? I just put down.
That? Yes. What is it?
What's this right here?
Did you hear it say that?
Thought it said it.
What did he put on the dash? Leave.
It's not a leave, it's money.
No, it said leave. What is it? Don't.
What's that, Homer?
What did he put up there?
Maybe get one of those rares where you can plug in something.
Why did it come up LCD? My camera just said LCD going across the top.
Let's try this. You know what these are? You see that? What's that up there I just put down? You know what that is?
It just said that. Did you hear that?
It said it.
It just said it, people. Cigarettes.
It's crazy, man.
What am I putting up there? What is that? Look at those cigarettes move. You see them moving? What is that up there? Are those cigarettes moving?
It looks like they were. Not moving the car.
Yes, they are moving. Who's moving them? Liz?
Someone trying to take those cigarettes?
Oh, we haven't smoked in a while.
Unless they were creamier, then they were really smoking. Light. It said it.
It did say it. I can't believe you guys know what that is. Let's see if you can mess with the light for us. Oh, it won't stay. What the hell? What the hell? Do something with that flashlight. Make it dim or something. Come on, do something to that flashlight or them cigarettes for us.
cigarettes.
Okay, 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 okay. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me?
What the hell?
That's odd.
Alright. Stop throwing stuff around in my car.
All right.
Kind of nut.
Yes, I'm here. Thanks for doing that.
Throwing stuff all over my vehicle.
Thanks for doing that.
I guess they
Jesus.
like the cigarettes.
I guess so. Well, I guess you haven't smoked in a while, huh? No. Did you hear that? So what does that mean? You want to smoke?
Is anybody here?
Spirit.
Okay. It's another one of those coincidences, I guess.
Yeah. Sick. Could be. Did you hear that? Who's here with us?
Can you give us your name?
What did it say? I'm.
Oh, it wasn't Tom.